The top 3 things that a DUI defense attorney can do for their clients here in the state of Virginia are first and foremost to look at the evidence in the case and expose all the flaws in the prosecution's case against their client. Sometimes this can look at finding motions to suppress, to file, and to argue in front of the judge. Sometimes this can look like effective cross-examination, and sometimes this can frankly look like gathering evidence, gathering witnesses in order to prove their client's innocence beyond a reasonable doubt. Second thing that a defense attorney can do for a client charged with a DUI is effective advocacy in court. So often that means objecting to evidence that is being brought in by the prosecutor that shouldn't otherwise be in evidence. Opening and effective closing statements are also very important for DUI defense cases. Often those can convince a judge or a jury when perhaps the evidence itself could look overwhelming against the client. And then effective cross-examination strategies at trial are probably the most important part. Pulling out the officer's lack of knowledge or lack of procedural effectiveness can often be the difference between a guilty or innocent finding. The third thing that a defense attorney can do is help guide their client through the process of a DUI case, from the very beginning when they are first charged to the loss of their license, whether temporarily or over a little bit longer period of time, depending on what you're charged with. A defense attorney can help guide you and help you understand what your options are. Is there a way to file a motion to get that back before your case is resolved? Are there motions that need to be filed in your case in order to help define evidentiary issues and to potentially fight the charge? Or at trial, are there things that your attorney needs to explain to you so that you understand, whether it be a plea deal or whether it be trial strategy? Your attorney's going to be there for you, and they're going to be guiding you throughout this process.